Let's get this frog pose really quick. This one is a really good hip opener. So you sit just like this, and then you just kind of go forward. And that's it. You don't really have to think. Form is not really compromised. No matter what you do, it's like you can't go wrong with this one.
Yeah, that feels good on my inner thighs.
And then people, they're always trying to get the splits. So anybody trying to get the splits, I recommend do the frog pose.
Do you try to go like deeper all the time?
Yeah. Frog pose, you get deep, 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 deep.
I feel like my glutes keep flexing on accident.
I think it's—
Is that normal?
No, creators, when we get in these positions, that's what happens. It's like a prerequisite.
Our body just starts forming.
Yes. If you don't got no type of pop in action, then what are you really doing out here, right? All right, let's hold our ankles and kind of open up our chest. I'm not sure if there's an actual name for that one. I just love doing it because it's like opposite. I like to do the opposites, like a push-pull type of a thing. So if I do a frog, I like to bend backwards and do the opposite. Or if I do a downward dog, I like to do an upward dog. Afterward. Ah, so good.
Oh.